Hello guys, before I start, I tell you one thing. If you want the club link where we students mutually help each other, and we also have some expert teachers and volunteers. Okay, so for getting into top US universities, my link is in either lecture 9 or lecture 10 or lecture 11 in the AP Calculus BC playlist. You can just check it out. You can just skim through. I mean, you don't have to see the whole content. You can go to the end and just get the link. Okay. So first of all, let's talk about sentence boundaries. Okay. So sentence equals subject plus verb plus actual meaning. This is a sentence, okay? So we keep dot. Okay, this is dot, okay? This means for a complete sentence. And the question mark, you get this is question, okay, obviously. And the exclamatory mark, a sentence with intense emotion, you can say, or also wow, right? So you can do that. So comma, okay, this okay, comma comes for separating idea. So this separates ideas. Okay, and then now semicolon. Okay, so joins related sentences. Joins related sentences. Okay, so we have a difference between run-on and fragment. So run-on, bro, come on, run-on, okay? So this is nothing but two complete sentences joined incorrectly. Two sentences joined, okay, incorrectly, okay? So this is the short form. Fragment is an incomplete sentence. So if they give a sentence and ask if this is fragment or run-on, you can just choose this. But don't worry, the question won't be asked this easy again. So I don't think you have to dive that much deep into these concepts because these are just quite simple. I'll solve one or two questions in the group, okay? In the group I'll solve one or two questions and post it out. So you can remember commas, and then you have comma, and you have comma. I mean, this is semicolon, sorry. Semicolon, comma, exclamation, question mark, full stop. So that's it for today, guys. See you at the club. See you tomorrow. Bye.